are put up, we then know we are moving in the right direction. What we have seen here is quite amazing. We have come to see that avocado as a fruit has got so many things that it can do for our country. Here, there is this plant, we are told it employs, when it employs 20 people at the plant, it employs more than 2,000 people out there. People that have now been encouraged to go into avocado full-fledged from Honde Valley, from Chimanimani, from Chipinge. Many times these avocados have been lost through getting rotten before they get to the right market, some being exported to South Africa. That's now a thing of the past because of the vision of our president, where he has guided us and guided us well to go into beneficiation and value addition. And this company, they've told us the issues surrounding their production, the issues surrounding their operations, and we have promised them that the government is there for them. We're going to assist them. We're going to do everything in the book to make sure their production goes up, to make sure they employ more people, to make sure we reach Vision 2030 in style. Okay, thank you.
Chiwandire, I'm the co-founder of Navaco Global Private Limited, also a shareholder with Alun Hart, who is our CEO. Yeah, so we started Navaco Global in 2023. We have been in full production this in 2024, and I'm happy to say we've got at the moment 200,000 already worth of United States dollars worth of oil which has been processed, ready for the export market. Initially we are focusing on the German and the Netherlands markets. Already we've got confirmed export orders, and I'm also happy to say that we've had tremendous support, particularly from suppliers like Tangana, Cicada, as far as raw avocado supplies into our factory is concerned. We've had occasion to sit down with the President, Minister Manicaland, and some of the challenges we've had, particularly around lack of bank support for startups, the issue of water, electricity, and the Minister is seized with those issues and has assured us of the support. We're also getting products from places like Honde Valley, where we are getting supplies for our organic varieties of the oil from over 1,600 smallholder farmers whom we are organizing into cooperatives, and we are looking forward as well to establish, do some backward integration in Honde Valley and Chimanimani, where we want to set up our own plantations on a home and scope model type of thing, where we can transfer the skills of producing high yielding and the best quality varieties of avocados. Again, the Minister has assured us that we look into it as far as provision of the appropriate land is concerned. And our expansion requirements, we are looking forward to doubling our capacity over the next 2-3 years. The Minister again is looking into provision of space for us to establish a factory in Honde Valley, here in Manicaland, and maybe in Chimanimani as well. Rating, so we are ready to export our first load over the next 1 to 2 weeks. So the use of the avocado oil is mainly as a substitute for cooking oil. We know the health benefits of using avocado oil. Also, it's used in the pharmaceutical industry and for some medicinal purposes as well.